Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download Geometry Dash app for free. Now if you want to download the Geometry Dash app and play it for free, now you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video, and to do so you need to simply open App Store on your iOS. After opening iOS, you'll see the various options on the bottom taskbar of your page. So you need to simply click on the search button at the very bottom right of the page. Now here you'll see various options, like you'll see the options of game search and so on, and you also see the options like games which are right now or the trending apps which are here right now. Now you may also click on the top games right here, and you may go on the paid games like this, and you may see the Geometry apps dash right here, or you may also simply type Geometry Dash on the search box and click on the option of search. To download the Geometry Dash original version, you need to pay a certain amount of price. That is $2.99. If you click on it, it says the option of purchase. So click on this, and you need to enter the password to your Apple ID and connect your Apple card and all. But if you want to download it for the free version, then you'll see the option of Geometry Dash Lite right here. So if you click on it, you'll be able to download it. So click on the option of get, and you need to verify yourself to download it. So click on the option of install to install it. So that's it. That's how you can download Geometry Dash app for free. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.